Hello everyone. I want use in sentences with verbs. Learn. I want to learn English. Read. I want to be expert in reading. Appreciate. I want my teacher appreciate me. Dance. I want to dance with my friends. Eat. I want to eat an ice cream. Buy. I want to buy a new car. Learn. I want to learn about technology. Play. I want to play games. Explore. I want to explore the world. Marry. I want to marry you. Learn. I want to learn about solar system. Go. I want to go to the beach. Listen. I want to listen to music. Watch. I want to watch the stars. Tie. I want to tie my shoelaces. Skipping. I want to skipping with my friends. Make. I want to make a sandcastle. Fishing. I want to go fishing. Bake. I want to bake cookies. Eat. I want to eat apple. Fly. I want to fly a kite. Go. I want to go on a roller coaster. Help. I want to help needy people. I want to be a superhero. See. I want to see a rainbow. Climb. I want to climb a tree. Ride. I want to ride a pony. Play. I want to play hide and seek. Wash. I want to wash my clothes. Visit. I want to visit my grandparents. Make. I want to make paper airplane. Draw. I want to draw a flower. Visit. I want to visit museum. Take. I want to take a cup of coffee. Drink. I want to drink chocolate shake. Take. I want to take bath. Jump. I want to jump with my friends. Go. I want to go home. Eat. I want to eat sandwich. Take. I want to take a nap. Talk. I want to talk to you. Get. I want to get a new job. Be. I want to be by your side. Drink. I want to drink water. Go. I want to go to school. Sing. I want to sing song. Cook. I want to cook food. Work. I want to complete my homework on time. Live. I want to live happy with my family and friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone.